feel like my documenting hasn't been amazing lately, but today's April 26th or 7th. Here's the progress on the 40-foot hoop house that my kids call Tina. Cattle panel just bonded with this these staples, heavy duty staples I've nailed in. Just a couple here and there. These posts are 8 feet apart, except over here this is 12. There's a little wiggle to them, but I think that's okay. If I want, I can put a chair rail along in here to kind of sturdy it up a little bit, but it might be fine with a bend. As you can see, I did this one upside down. Wasn't paying attention. Really gives this, I'm shaking it right now. It's not moving at all. These are about 2.5 feet in the ground. It was very rocky here, so we did the best we could. And apple trees, and plum. Haven't hooked any of this up yet. Plum, some compost. Yeah, that's Tina. This is going down to the east garden. You can see this is just sitting here. These 16-foot cattle panels can be used for like trellises. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for trellises or if I'm going to use them for fencing down here. That's the original garden, east garden back there, but I need a lot more lineal feet, so that's 50 feet. And if I can get a good 3 or 4 rows, this is 10 feet. So if 2.5 to 3 feet is the standard width, I can go, one right there, a little bit of space, a little bit of pathway, another one right there, a little bit of pathway, another one right there. So 3 big, long 50-foot rows. That gives me 150 feet of lineal space. And out here, I'll probably want to think about a couple of those arches. I'm not sure. But in here, I'm going to use some of the existing structure, maybe build that up a little bit somehow for vining. I'm not sure. Look at the moon. More trees here. I did add that little peach tree, and we have this existing peach tree, which these deer will nip every available bud. Just starting to turn a little bit green. Lone tree right there. I'm just trying to keep the deer off of it, even though it's got protection. They still seem to get through the deer fencing. Chickens, a little bit of extra protection from the snow and sun. The rainwater system. There's this one, which I've had for a long time, which collects in this rain barrel right here. And then that other gutter goes right down into there. This is all the outdoor chicken area here. They come out the front door over there. We've got all this. They like to dig. I let them have access to the compost. That bin is empty, but we'll be putting more stuff in for them to have fun with. And then there's George. Georgie Porgy. 20-foot hoop house. Just a little extra security there, but nice. A little extra warmth there for the spinach over there. Some of the stuff in here is getting towards the end. This is all getting towards the end, but this is just getting ready to be harvested. That's been harvested a couple times. That's new right there, stuff coming up. And there's chicken wire all along. Keep the deer out. There it is. Oh yeah, the OG, the original garden. Potatoes in front, buried with some leaves on top. A little bit of lettuce starting. Most everything else is just being covered up for now, except for the strawberries over here. They're just doing their thing. They come back each year on their own. And there's, kind of hard to see, but blueberries. Most of what's happening is those raspberries over there. Really spreading nicely. Good night, y'all.